it's me, Slime Squishies and more, and today I will be making a video about a mystery slime that a fan gave me, and I have a fan mail. So I will be showing the fan mail to you at the end of the video. And I already took out the slime mystery because it was so sticky. So let's see if I can pick it up again, because picking it up will be the hardest thing because it will get slime on you. Here it is. So yeah, this is really slimy and so sticky. I have fan mail. Time to go again. So let's see what they got me. It's just fun getting fan mail. Fan mail. I have nothing. I have nothing. What in the world? I have nothing. Was that a prank?
Yes, it was!
Oh my God, they pranked me! They pranked me, guys, no! I have a cold though, if you can tell, because of my voice. But oh my gosh, guys, they pranked me. I can't believe that. So, apart from the mystery slime, I have squishies, many little squishies that I'll show you guys right now. But I have to clean up this slime because this slime is getting, oh no. Okay, so I said oh no because on Saturday I got my nails painted. And they look so good until this happened. So I found one part of it. Right here is polka dot line. Where's the slime? Oh gosh, I have fan mail again. Oh, I saw it slip through the oh, coming. I also have popcorn. Oh, it's a bag. I don't know why that's coming.
Hi.
Hello.
I did not show my face, but I brought you some new shoes.
Oh.
And I'm the biggest fan ever.
Oh.
And I brought you a new iPad.
Oh, thank
You're
you.
welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye. I have an iPad now, guys. Yes, I am filming on an iPad, but this is weird. Why did they give me this? Just a paper bag. A paper bag, guys. Well, I don't know why, but I just don't know why. So now it's on to the squishies. And for starters, I have, let's start with a big one. I have this, like, kind of big dog, a bulldog. I think it's a bulldog. It looks like a bulldog. Look at this. It's a little squishy and it has a chain on it right here so you can chain it anywhere. And that was from, so all of this was from me because Slime Squishies and games, make sure you check out her videos and her YouTube channel. And yeah, she really wanted to show these to you guys on my channel too. So yeah, we have that bulldog one, which is right here. We also have this really cute bunny. I love this one. Look at this really cute bunny. So cute. So leave in the comments below if I should do a squishy makeover. That will be really amazing. Here's another squishy. I don't know if this is really a squishy because it's really wobbly, and it like when you throw it, it sticks onto the table. So I don't know if this is a squishy, but yeah, if it came in the pack with the squishies, it's clearly a squishy, I guess. So it's a paw print. And the next one will be this cute yellow one. It's so cute. Yeah, this one. Sorry guys, I was just eating some popcorn. But this was really cute. It could use a makeover, I guess. But that was cute. And sorry if you can't really see my face. It's just this table I have. It's really messing right now because of this one. You can see my nail. Oh, but my nail didn't break. It's not clearly my nail, but it's my nail polish. So, yeah. That was the doggy print one. I mean, no. This is the one that is cute. It's winking at me. This one is just like the paw print, but this one clearly needs a huge makeover. I have no idea how I can do that because this one's just like that paw print. Jibbly wobbly. Whoa! Just got stuck to some slime right here. It was like swinging. So, yeah. And it's. Oh, I got some slime on my finger. Oh, whoa. Sorry for the silence, guys, but yeah, I don't really feel so well. So, yeah, this one really needs a makeover. Clearly it does, clearly. I heard someone at my door. But this popcorn smells good. It's delicious. Next, I have this cute one. Sorry, my arms are really like not good. But this was really cute. It's a squishy. You can hang it on something like your backpack. And I have a lot more in this basket. Let them fall down like rain. Woo! So I showed you this one just now. I showed you this paw print. I showed you this winking one. I showed you this bulldog. Everything's just getting into the slime, and the slime is just way too sticky, way too sticky, guys. So I showed you the bulldog one, and the bunny. The bunny's missing. Oh, I see it. So I showed you showed you the bunny one. And next one, this will be the last one for today, guys. So this is why I'm showing you squishies, because it's slime squishies and more. So yeah, squishies are like, feel so good. This smells good. But this is the last one, and it's big and it's cute. And you can hang it on something too, like your backpack. So cute. It's like this. This one is my head. Welcome, guys, back to the news with Doggy. I think it's a doggy. But the chance of rain, it will be raining cats and dogs. But that was really amazing. It was so amazing. This was so cute. Whoa. But that slime, this slime is so sticky. Like, I can't even touch it anymore. It's way too sticky. And yes, in one of my videos I said I like sticky slime, but not this sticky. So, if you haven't seen that video, go check it out on my channel. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did, well, I kind of did it because I still feel a little bit sick. But hopefully this was a good video for you guys. And I will still eat my popcorn. And yeah, it's fun being here with you guys. Even if I'm sick, I just want to do a video for you guys, because then you'll still be entertained, but not entertained by me. So yeah. So make sure you subscribe, ring that bell for notifications when the other videos come out on my channel, and make sure you like and comment down below what you liked about this video. So let's just wait for a little while. I hear someone at my door. This video's not going. Okay, hopefully they're not pranking me again, because if they are, I'll be just no. So yeah, let's go open this door. Knew it. Of course I did. I knew it. I knew it. Another prank once again when the video's about to end. Wait, I just rhymed. Oh my gosh. So make sure you like for great rhyming too. And I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you check out my channel, and Slime Squishies and Games channel, and Happy Cats channel. They're all my friends. They're so amazing. And see you guys in the next one. Bye.